Ethan Heiler, what happens after metaphase? Anaphase. What happens in anaphase, Ethan Nicely?
They separate.
What separates? Don't say they. I'm going to ban pronouns from our science class.
Pronoun.
They. What separates?
The chromosomes.
The chromosomes. Okay. If I were to have my fishing lines, Ethan Heiler, think about when you go fishing. My little fishing lines come along and connect. What's going to happen to those two green chromosomes, Charles?
They're going to get taken away from each other.
They're going to get pulled apart, right? Away from each other, so that I end up with a green chromosome on either side.
Oh.
Forrest, what's going to happen to my red chromosomes?
They're going to do the same thing. They're going to get pulled apart. But so on prophase we have.
Oh, back up. Hold on. Save your question. I understand. Save your question for me.
Okay.
So, when these get pulled apart, see how each one now has one chromosome of each color? Do you all see how they both, each nuclei, will now have one chromosome of each color? I have people who aren't tuning into this and we missed this yesterday. We've got to get this today. What happens after anaphase? Caleb? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase? Telophase. What happens in telophase? Cadence? What did we say telophase stands for? Remember metaphase, middle, anaphase, apart. What did we say telophase is? Charles?
It's always, it's when it's just doing its job.
No.
Oh,
Ethan Heiler?
It splits into two.
Two nuclei. Okay, look. Metaphase, middle. Anaphase, apart. Telophase, two nuclei. Okay, that's a trick to help you remember. When I do it that way, I have one chromosome of each color, right? In each nuclei? Yes, in each nucleus. Y'all see how this works? So that then, what's the final stage? What's the last thing that has to happen, Kimmy?
Cytokinesis.
Cytokinesis. In cytokinesis, that cytoplasm splits.
Oh, cytoplasm.
Yeah. Cytokinesis, cytoplasm splits. That's why I'm trying to get you all to see that these words, they all make sense if you look at those little tricks to help you remember.
That's cool.
Do y'all see how those daughter cells are identical to the original cell? But now there's two of them. Okay? You cannot have metaphase without two of each chromosome lined up together. And anaphase, they have to split so that one of each chromosome goes each direction. Otherwise, your daughter cells won't have any code to tell them what hair color or what your chin should look like. Yes, Charles?